Alright all, this is Loner 420 from Loner 420 House, out hiking with my dog Genghis. Yeah, just gonna light up my 420 doobie. Genghis, here! Yeah, no playing with the dog. Hey pretty boy, how you doing, eh? Are you out playing? Good boy. So happy 420 all. I have to carry my walking stick, you never know. We have yogis and cougars and stuff out here, so need something anyhow, at least it's a chance, right? But yeah, October 29th, we're Wednesday. Beautiful sunny day, no jacket needed. Out with the dog. Hey Genghis, come here boy. Come on boy. I see ya. Come here. Yep, out hiking with the dog. So happy 420 all. Beautiful Wednesday, October 29th, here on Vancouver Island, Canada. Loving life. Peace all. Signing out.